It's all started in the bus. I had a moment of realization that I am missing a part of my life, which was developing games. It's been almost 1.5 years since I have created anything. I always loved developing games. I have created some games in the past, but I wanted to start fresh. So I decided no matter what, from now onward, I will not quit developing games. My main objective will be developing Android games. So as soon as I arrived home, I hit up one of my close friends to help me buy a developer account to publish my games. Since Nepal, the country I am from, does not support any payment method to buy. As soon as the purchase was successful, I fired up Unity and created a 2D project. I could not decide the name of the game, so I named it Yellow because the main character of the game will be of color yellow. So, with having zero knowledge of what will be the game about, I started to prototype the game. I used the basic artwork to represent the player because I wanted to focus on all the programming side of the game first. The first day I implemented basic movement and camera movement and I and wrote all the things I wanted to implement in the game. After implementing basic movement, I wanted to implement jump to the player, so I started writing code to implement jump and encountered first error. After a while, I was able to fix the error. Now the player can jump. Friday, I wanted to implement player shooting projectile, so I quickly implemented that inside my game. Now the player can shoot bullet. After that, I wanted to implement the first enemy of the game. I decided to go with turret. The basic idea is whenever the player gets into the range of the turret, it starts to shoot bullet. To achieve that, first player need to have some kind of health. So I quickly wrote the code for player health. As you can see now, player can destroy the enemy but is not affected by it. So I wrote the code for that as well. After trial and error, I got it working. For now, our enemy does not shoot bullet, but the player is affected by the range, as you can see. Saturday, I wanted to implement health part so I can visually see the health status of the player. So I wrote the code for it, and here how it looks now. As I have full-time job, I get very less time to develop game. Plus, I have to study for my college as well. I will be publishing the progress of my game every week. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice time.